Hey guys, welcome back to VL Infotech. Today in this video, I will show you how to chat or send messages or send emails in Telugu language from your mobile phone. Before going to the video, please subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. In this channel, I am going to do all the topics regarding social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, and also about YouTube and websites. Now we will see how to chat or send messages in Telugu. Click on Google Play Store and type English to Telugu keyboard. Now click on Telugu keyboard, English to Telugu keyboard typing. Now we have to install this app into your mobile phone. By using this app, we can send messages or emails or we can chat in Telugu language. I will show you how to do that. Now click on install to download the app. It will take few minutes to install the app into your mobile phone. Then open the app. Then you will see this page. Using this app, if we type the message in English, we can send the message to some other person in Telugu automatically. Click on next step. Now click on allow option for Telugu translator keyboard. Then it will automatically add it to your keyboard. Click on switch input method. Then you can switch between English and Telugu language. Now everything is set. Now you can use the app. In this video, I will show you 3 ways to send messages in Telugu language. First one, I will show you how to send messages, and second option, I will show you how to send messages through WhatsApp, and third option, I will show you how to send emails in Telugu language. Now we will see how to send message in Telugu. You have to type your message in English and click on enter. Then it will automatically translate it to Telugu language. In this way we can send messages in Telugu. And second option, I will show you how to chat in Telugu language in WhatsApp. Open your WhatsApp and open a contact and write your message in English language and click enter. It will automatically translate it to Telugu language, so the other person can read in Telugu language. We can change the keyboard from Telugu language and English language. In this way, we can chat in Telugu with other persons if you even don't know how to read or write Telugu language. This app will convert English language words to Telugu language words, so you can chat in Telugu. Next, coming to third way, I will show you how to send email in Telugu language. Open your Gmail account and click on compose email. Enter from address and to address and compose your email by typing in English language. It will automatically convert to Telugu language. After composing your email, click on send option at the right corner of this page. In this way, we can send messages and chat in WhatsApp, and we can send email in Telugu language. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also click on the bell icon. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep smiling. Bye bye. I will provide Telugu keyboard app link in the description below.